Our premium trucks are manufactured from tough, 100% medium-density polyethylene. Their food-grade material means they are perfect for catering, food factories or even warehouse applications. There are 6 different sizes, with capacities ranging from 72 litres to 455 litres. Each size is available in a variety of colours and are tapered for easy stacking, allowing cost-effective storage and transportation. The largest trucks are fitted with recessed plastic bases for additional support, and lids are available for all sizes.